Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix PayPal card declined using the PayPal application on your iPhone. There are a few reasons why your PayPal card might be declined on the iPhone app, so here is how you can address them. The first thing to do is to open the PayPal app and make sure that you are signed into your account. Make sure you have enough money in your PayPal balance to cover the purchase. Double check that your billing address on PayPal app matches exactly what your bank has on file. After you are in the main home page of PayPal, tap on the wallet button at the bottom right and then make sure that you've updated your billing address to ensure it matches your bank records. Also, you will need to go ahead and add a payment method first. Select banks or credit or debit card options and add a payment method. Once you add a payment method and update your billing address, you will be able to fix the issue. If the problem still continues, then simply go ahead and force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your application and then simply push off the PayPal application upwards. This will force close your PayPal app. Now get back to the app drawer and open PayPal once again. After you give a quick refresh to the app, you might be able to fix your issue. Also, don't forget to update your application now and then. If you are running on the outdated version of PayPal, then you might be walking through this issue. So go ahead and open your App Store and search for PayPal in the search box. Look for the PayPal app and tap it open, and if there is an update button on the page, tap on update immediately to get the latest version downloaded on your device. Once you ensure that you update your app, tap on open and this might be able to fix your issue right away. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your PayPal card is being declined on your PayPal application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.